Hello everyone, welcome back to today class. In previous class, we discussed the basic concept of matrices. In that we discussed different types and order of the matrix, what is the row, what is the column, and types of matrices, equality of matrices. This concept total we learned in previous class. So now we have to start the problems. We have to start the problem based upon previous concept. So first, one general example is there. I'll display here example 1 question. Consider the following information regarding the number of men and women workers in the factory 1, 2 and 3. 3 factories is there. In that number of women's working, number of men's working, giving as a one table. So that information total question is represent the above information in the form of 3 by 2 matrix. So what they given? Men workers, women workers and factory 1, factory 2, factory 3. So just represent as a matrix. Naming as a solution, naming as a. What are the men's is there? So total you write as a question, that as it is you have to copy here. 25, 27, next one 25, 31, 26. So information, given information represent as a matrix. Very simple, just this is the understanding purpose they given this question. So just information convert to matrix. Next, one more question is there in this one, continuation. What does the entry third row second column represent? Third row second column entry. This 26 what will represent? This 26 what will represent is asking question. So 26 means what here? Third factory number of women's. Third factory number of women's. Number of women's. What it represent? Third factory number of women's it represents. This is a general problem. Example 1. Next, we start the exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. Example problems is there. Similar problems is there in exercise also. While explaining the exercise problems, I will discuss about the example problems also. So first problem you can see here in exercise 3.1. First problem in the matrix A. One matrix given. From this matrix, these 3 questions we have to write. Write number 1, the order of the matrix. So order of the matrix we have to write. First one, solution. So order means what? Order means number of rows by number of columns. First, very important thing. First we have to write the number of rows. So how many rows is there here? 1, 2, 3. Horizontal is there, that are called rows. How many rows is there? 3 rows is there. By means cross symbol, into symbol. By, we will read as a by. Next, how many columns is there? Columns means what? Vertical lines. Vertical lines, how many there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines is there. So 4. So order is 3 by 4. Order is 3 by 4. First one completed. Next, what is there? The number of elements. The number of elements. So number of elements already I discussed yesterday. The number of elements is nothing but rows into columns. Rows into columns. How many? 12 elements. If you have any doubt, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total 12 elements. Order multiplication if you are making, number of elements you can get easily. And next, number 3. Write the elements. A13 A13 meaning what? First row, third column element. First row, third column element is 19. Is 19. Next, A21. A21. First one represent the row, second one represent the column. Second row, first column element. Second row, first column element is 35. Next, A33. 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 Third row, third column. Third row, third column is minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2. Next, A24. A24. A24 means second row, fourth column. Second row, fourth column is 12. Second row, fourth column is number 12. Next, A23. Second row, third column. Second row, third column is 5 by 2. Just 5 by 2. So this is also one simple basic concept understanding purpose they given this problem. So this is the way of writing the elements. Next, problem number 2. If a matrix has 24 elements, one matrix having 24 elements, what is the possible orders it can have? So first question only I am taking here. 24 elements is there. You observe previous problem, 3 4s are 12. 12 elements is there. One possibility, 3 rows 4 columns or 4 rows 3 columns. That type 24 elements is there. What are the possible orders? What are the possible orders? Just here multiples we have to write. Which multiple you will get the 24. So that only the possible orders. Once you see the answer, then you will understand solution. 24 elements. 24 elements. 24 elements is there. So what are the possible orders? Just you write 1 into 24. 24 you will get or not? Yes. So 24 elements. Again multiple you have to get 24. So 2 into 2 by 12. 2 by 12. 2 into 12 how much you will get? 24 you will get. Same to same. Next 3. 8 ja. Next 4. 6 ja. Next 5 not possible. Next 6 4 ja. 8 3 ja. 12 2 ja. 24 1s. So these are the total possible orders. This many possible orders is there. That means 12 rows, 2 columns possible also. Number of elements is 24. So just a multiple. If you do the multiplication, you have to get the 24. That time what possibilities is there? All possibilities we have to write. So in exam point of view, this is important for 1 mark question. So next, in this continuation, what if it has 13 elements? 13 elements is there. What are the possibilities? 13 elements. So first one possibility compulsory, 1 by 13. Any table if you are taking 2, 3, 4, 5, you will get 13. We won't get the 13. So only this is the odd number. Odd number not, this is a 13 prime number. So 1 by 13, 13 by 1. Only 2 possibilities. Next, problem number 3. One more problem we'll see. Then you will get the clarity. 18 elements. 18 elements. 18 elements is there. So what we can write here? 1 by 18 we can write. Next, 2 9s are 18 also we can write. 3 6s are 18. 4 table not possible. 5 table also not possible. Next, 6 table reverse. 6 3s are 9 2s are 18 1s. So these are the possible orders. These are the possible orders. Next, one more is there in this only. 5 elements. 5 elements. 5 elements. 5 is the prime number. So 1 by 5, 5 by 1. More any possibilities is there? If you do the multiplication of two numbers, you have to get the 5. Only two possibilities. 1 5s are, 5 1s are. But 18 purpose, lot of possibilities is there. And example 2, just 8 elements is there. 8 elements is there, I will write 8 elements, example 2. 8 elements, what we can write? 1 by 8. 2 by 4. 2 4s are 8. Next, 3 table not possible, 4 table, 4 2s are 8. More any possibilities? 5, 6, 7 not possible. Direct 8. 8 1s are. So this is the process of finding the possible orders. This is very important for 1 mark questions. Next, problem number 4. Construct 2 by 2 matrix. Construct 2 by 2 matrix. That means 2 rows, 2 columns. 2 rows and 2 columns matrix A is equal to Aij, whose elements are given by condition the given elements purpose. Condition given Aij is equal to I plus j by I plus j whole square by 2. I plus j whole square by 2. And remaining 2 also there. Example also there. First we'll see one problem, how to solve this type of problems. This type also important for 1 mark. In matrices 1 mark, most of the times first exercise only they ask for 1 mark question. So see here, fourth one solution in that first one. Construct a matrix, 2 by 2 matrix. So first I'll write here, construct a general matrix A11. First row, first column. First row, second column. Only 2 columns, 2 rows. So that's why 2 1. Second row, first column. Next, second row, second column. So this is the 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix. General elements I am writing. A11, A12, A21, A22. So now, by given, what they given? Given Aij equal to I plus j whole square divided by 2. So now we have to find the each and every element. 4 elements we have to find. A11. I plus what we have to substitute? 1. J plus also what we have to substitute? 1. So in this substitution, 1 plus 1 whole square divided by 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 square is 4. 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2. Next, A12. A12. 1 plus 2 whole square divided by 2. Just in that equation, we are substituting the value. I place 1, j plus 2. 2 plus 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 square is 9. 9 by 2. Next what we need? A21 element we need. A21. So A21. I plus 2, j plus 1 whole square by 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 square is 9. Here also 9 by 2. Next, A22. A22. So I plus 2, j plus 2 divided by 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 square is 16 by 2. 16 by 2 is 8. So the required matrix, capital A is equal to A11. A11 how much you got? 2. Here writing also very important here. Final answer, required matrix 2, 9 by 2, 9 by 2 and 8. And writing time be careful. Why? Because lot of members different places you will write. A11 means first row, first column. A12 first row, second column. So that elements we have to substitute. And next problem you can see Aij equal to I by j. I plus same construct the matrix. This only 2 by 2 matrix. A11 means how much you will get? 1 by 1. 1 you will get. A12 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 just. Next A21 means 2 by 1, 2. Next A22 means 2 by 2. 2 cancel, 1 is the element. So final answer you have to substitute in this one. Same method but condition is different. Next problem also you can see. Here I plus j whole square by 2. There I plus 2j whole square by 2. 2j. So concentrately substitute that elements. These two problems also try yourself. You can try. Homework I am giving in description box. I am giving the notes. In that answers is there. Just answer. Simplification how to do. Notes I am giving in description box. One link is there. If you click that link, notes you will get for this video. Next, example 3. Construct the 3 by 2 matrix here. This problem, fourth problem, what is there? 2 by 2 matrix. 3 by 2 matrix for example 3. So 3 by 2 matrix means what? 3 rows, 2 columns. 3 rows and 2 columns. So 3 rows, 2 columns we have to write. A11, A12, A21, A22. Third row also we have to mention here. So how many rows is there? 3 rows, 2 columns. This is the 3 by 2 general matrix. So same condition is there. Aij. A11 means what? We have to substitute. This one is mod. Already I given solution in notes. For this one solution also I wrote. But try yourself this also. Very simple problem. But here which matrix asking, that is very important. 2 by 2 matrix asking or 3 by 2 matrix asking. That you have to concentrationally you have to write this one. Very important that one. And this also lot of times 1 mark question asked in previous exams. Next, problem number 5. Construct 3 by 4 matrix. Previous problem 2 by 2 matrix and example problem we discussed 3 by 2. But here 3 by 4. One problem I'll explain. One more problem you can take as a homework. So now solution purpose. Let capital A is equal to 3 rows 4 columns. 3 rows 4 columns. This is 3 rows. Just I am writing understanding purpose. So A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33 and A34. How many rows is there here? Horizontal are called rows. How many rows is there? 3 rows. How many columns is there? 4 columns is there. So this is 3 by 4 matrix, general matrix. First you have to write this general matrix. Then by the condition we have to find each and every element. Already we discussed in a 2 by 2 matrix. Just here change elements more. Here how many elements will find? 3 4s are 12 elements will find. Previous problem 2 2s are 4. 4 elements will find in previous problem. So that is only change and condition also different. Different problem. We have different conditions. So what they given here? Given Aij is equal to 1 by 2 mod 3i plus j. In example problem also mod is there. So here you can get the clarity of that problem. Why? Because here also mod is there. So first element what we need? A11. So 1 by 2 minus 3 I plus 1 j plus 1 we have to substitute. So now make the simplification for this one. What you will get? 1 by 2 mod minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 how much? Minus 2 mod minus 2. Mod minus 2 means 2. Modulus. Already in first year modulus function we discussed. The result of the modulus function compulsory positive. Minus 2 modulus function. Mod of minus 2 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. So A11 how much we got? 1 we got. Next similar way A12 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 plus 2. So now minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Mod minus 1 is 1 by 2. Mod minus 1 is 1 by 2. Next A13 also we have to find. A13 1 by 2 mod minus 3 into 1 plus 3, minus 3 into 1 plus 3. So total it will be 0. 0 into 1 by 2 is 0. Next A14 1 by 2 mod 1 by 2 mod minus 3 into 1 plus 4. So modulus of minus 3 plus 4. Minus 3 plus 4 is 1. So 1 by 2. Mod 1 is nothing but 1 by 2. Next, first row total completed. Next, second row what is there? A21. A21 first element. So 1 by 2 mod minus 3 into 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 mod minus 6 plus 1 minus 3 minus 5. So answer is 5 by 2. Next A22 1 by 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 2. 6 minus 6 plus 2. Minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. So 4 by 2 mod minus 4 is 4 by 2 is total 2. Next A23 1 by 2 mod minus 3 into 2 plus 3 minus 6 plus 3 minus 3. Mod of minus 3 is 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Next A24 1 by 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 4. That is 1 by 2 mod. How much will get? Minus 6 plus 4. Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. Mod minus 2 is 2 by 2. That is nothing but 1. Next A24 total second row completed. Next third row we start. A31 1 by 2 mod minus 3 into 3 plus 1 1 by 2 mod minus 9 plus 1 minus 9 plus 1 is minus 8. 8 by 2 is 4. Next A32 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 2 1 by 2 mod minus 7 you will get minus 9 plus 2. Minus 9 plus 2 is minus 7. Total answer is 7 by 2. Next A33 1 by 2 mod minus 3 into 3 plus 3 1 by 2 mod minus 9 plus 3. Minus 9 plus 3 is minus 6. Mod minus 6 is 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is 3. Next A34 1 by 2 mod minus 3 into 3 plus 4. Answer is mod minus 9 plus 4 minus 5. Minus 5 is nothing but 5. 5 by 2. So the required matrix A is, all values we have to substitute here. Proper way we have to write, that is very very important. A11 means 1. Next A12 1 by 2. Lot of numbers will write as a vertical. It will wrong totally. So horizontal only. How we are finding the elements, that way only we have to write. A13 is 0. Next A14 is 1 by 2. Next 5 by 2. Here A22 is 2. Next A23 is 3 by 2. A24 is 1. Next A31 4. A32 7 by 2. Next one is 3. Next one is 5 by 2. So this is the required matrix, 3 by 4 matrix. That the required 3 by 4 matrix is this one. So next Aij is equal to 2i minus j. Very simple problem. There is no mod. Negative getting means negative only we have to write. 2i minus j condition. So this problem take as a homework. Try yourself. By this problem today class completed. In next class we'll continue the remaining exercise and example problems. Thank you.